now we are going to see how we can generate the embeddings using transformers and using OpenAI. Okay, so yeah, let's start. So first of all, install sentence transformers. Okay, so in this way, it will going to install a sentence transformer package, right? So now over here, from sentence transformer, import sentence transfor transformers. Okay, let's run this. Then sentence transformer. Then over here, we need to define. So over here, we have to define which transformer model we are going to use. Okay, so let's see what are the different transformer model are there. So transformer. We need to go over here on this website. We need to go over this website on documentation here. Here, pre-trained models. So let's see what are the different type of models are there. So here these all are the models of different sizes. Okay, with their speeds. So let's choose very small model. So let's choose this. So if you want to read more about this, you can go over this link. Okay, so yeah, copy the name. So now you can just copy the name from here, and let's paste this the name, and then what is this model number one. Let's run this. So now over here it will going to download this particular model. So model dot encode. So over here we need to define sentence. Sentence one is equals to he was he was good man. Okay, and one like embeddings one. So let's run this. Then let's check what is the length of this length embeddings one. Yeah, the length of this embedding size is 384. Okay, so this model is generating 384 length of embeddings. So let's check. Embedding one. So yeah, yes, this is the embedding look like. So this is the embedding in array format. Okay, so let's choose another model. Uh, so yeah, sentence transformer. This yeah, bigger model. So this is a very big size of a model, so I don't want to use this. So yeah, if you want, you can try this, but it will take a lot of time to download that particular model. So let's use this model, sentence T5. Let's choose this sentence T5. So this is an encoder and decoder based transformer model, sentence T5 XL model 2, model like model T5. So yeah, it will going to download. Then model model T5 dot encode. So send to sentence second. Send Shivaji was great great king. Okay, so let's pass this. Sentence is two. We are passing. So over here I'm going to define a variable. So uh, Yeah, T5 embeddings. Mm-mm. T5 embedding. So T5. So this is the embedding generated by T5 model. So let's print the length of this, and I'm sure the length of this is will be bigger. 768. Okay. This is not almost double than this. So as a model size and as of based on different models, so they generate a different type of embeddings. Okay, so what it means? What's the conclusion of this? It means that if my model is able to create huge embeddings, so it means that my model is able to capture a huge information from sentences. Okay, it can easily understand what sentence is actually trying to say. But the thing is, different models are trained for different specific tasks, right? So for example, T5 is basically useful for question and answering. Like say if someone wants to generate a question, so he is able to generate, and someone wants to use it as a question answering system, so he or she can use it. Okay, let's try another. So let's use this. uh, so yeah, so multilingual model. So MLM model, multilingual model. So yeah, let's run this. So it will going to download the model model dash MLM dot encode. So let's define a sentence. Sent is 3 is equals to people play games and I am game changer. Okay, so let's define this sentence 3. Okay, so now embeddings of MLM multilingual model. So let's print length of this. Embeddings MLM 768. What was the 768? So the embedding is generating almost a similar. Okay, so now let's print how we can generate the embeddings using OpenAI. So OpenAI generates a huge number of embeddings, so that's the reason we are highly use OpenAI. Okay, so let's go ahead. Uh, pip install OpenAI from OpenAI. So now it is downloading this AI model from OpenAI. Im- Import OpenAI done. Then we have to define AI model. Like, no, no, just define model is equals to open AI. Let's say open model. Open model is equals to open AI. Then we have to define our API key. API key is equals to. So we need to pass our open API key. So my OpenAI API key is so so API key is always private. So it is recommended that no one should share their API key to anyone. Any API key, whether it is OpenAI or Hugging Face API. So you see, open model dot. So let's define embedding. Open embeddings is equals to open model dot embeddings embeddings dot create करना है. So let's provide input sentence. Input is Hanuman was very powerful. Okay, and then model, we have to define the model name, which model we want to use over here. So let's embeddings text embedding 3 dot small dot data 0 dot embedding. So let's see what is the length of this model, what is the length of the generated embeddings. 1536. So this is the huge embedding generated by this OpenAI. So if I'm going to large, so if I'm going to just change this the name large, so now you can see the embeddings size got increased. Okay,